Good. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for being here, or thanks for listening to the recording. I'm Dr. Cliff Smyth from the Department of Mind Body Medicine at Saybrook University. And I'll talk today a little bit about and have a practice today a little bit about the nature of mindfulness as the awareness of something being known. And I just wanted to acknowledge the teacher, Mark Nunberg, who's the guiding teacher at Common Ground Meditation Center in Minneapolis, Minnesota, for inspiring this practice, and my teachers, Tanissa and Kitasaro. So making yourself comfortable, finding a way to sit with ease and a sense of support and dignity, drawing support from the floor, the chair, through your body, and of course making any little movements you want or need to make to be that bit more comfortable, so that you can be present to your experience. So in Buddhism, the Dharma is what is, the nature of the world and experience in the present moment. So mindfulness can be seen as kind of an opening to the truth that this is being known. It's like this, and this is being known. So we can think of mindfulness as awareness of something being known. And it can involve consciousness through the 5 sense doorways and the mind. Consciousness of seeing being known, of hearing being known, consciousness of smelling being known, and tasting being known, and consciousness of touching being known, including the inner touch, the felt sense of the body being known, and consciousness of our thoughts and words and images being known, because in Buddhism, mind is the 6th sense. So one of the ways we know our world is through being aware of our thoughts. So again, finding comfort in sitting, support, making any little extra movements you need to make, bringing presence into the body, inviting ease and comfort and support. And then begin to scan or sense the front of the body, the chest and the sternum and the ribs and the abdomen, all maybe moving as you breathe. Bringing your awareness into the front of the body. And there are many qualities that could be known: the shape, the temperature of the front of the body, the touch of clothes, the movements with breathing, and more. Bringing your attention to the front of the body. And this is the awareness of the front of the body being known right now. And then attending to or feeling deeper into the body, into the torso, the heart space, maybe the sense of the heart beating, the circulating of blood, the diaphragm moving, and the movements of the lungs. And also directing your attention to the stomach and the digestive tract and all of the organs of digestion, however you might sense them. sense for them. And even the liver and the kidneys and all the organs involved in cleaning the blood and removing wastes. Directing your attention inward, and there are many qualities that could be known: the sounds of breathing or the heart beating, or subtle feelings. Sometimes there are only glimpses or hints of sensations deep in the body. Tending into the body, into the internal space. And this is awareness of the internal space and the organs being known right now. And of course, thoughts may arise in words or images. And when you notice them, then that's just thinking being known. And now begin to direct your attention to scan the back of the body, the torso, the back of the pelvis and the sacrum, the spine and the back muscles, the shoulder blades and the neck and the back of the head too. And there are many qualities that could be known: the shapes of the ribs and spine, the sense of the direction of the spine, the temperature of the back of your body, or the touch of the clothes, or the movements of breathing in the back, whatever qualities you find, and tending to the back of the body. And this is awareness of the back of the body being known right now. And then bring your attention to the legs. You might bring your attention first to one leg and then the other, or to both. The hips, the thighs, the knees, the lower legs, the ankles and feet and toes. One leg and the other leg, or both legs. Attending to the legs and feet. And there are many qualities that could be known: the temperature, or or the shapes of the different parts of your legs. The volume of the legs. And this is awareness of the legs being known, however they're being known right now. And again, thoughts may arise in words or images. When you notice them, then that's just thinking being known. And then attending to the arms and hands and fingers. One arm, the other arm, both arms, whatever works for you. Scanning both shoulders and the arms and the hands. Attending. And there are many qualities that could be known. Again, the temperature, the shapes of the different parts of the arms. The volume of the arms and hands. And many other qualities. Attending to the arms and hands and fingers. And this is awareness of the arms being known right now. And then maybe the whole body, tending to feeling for an overall feeling in and of the body, starting with the trunk, maybe starting in the center of the chest, the heart space, and the torso, the front and the back, and inside, and expanding outward into the limbs. However you attend, whatever arises. And this is awareness of the feeling in and of the body being known. And staying with these feelings, with these awarenesses of the body being known. And then you may choose, when you're ready, to return to awareness of being in the room that you're in. If you let your eyes close, you might let them open or focus. And as you're ready, returning to the screen and the group. And as your eyes begin to open, you might acknowledge that you and the people gathered here in this shared space have been in a meditative state, and you might choose not to speak for now, or if you do speak, speak from your experience and in a way that won't take others out of their experience. Or you can remain for a while with the sense of presence to your own experience. Thank you.